it's Laura, and today I'm going to be showing you the first in a series of 3 different Inuyasha inspired crafts. Now, as always, if you want to get straight to the crafting, you can click the timestamp down below, but I do want to go ahead and give you a sort of rundown for the next couple videos that my channel will have. This whole year, I've just become utterly obsessed with anime. I've been watching anime after anime, binge, and of course, I had to do Inuyasha. And so I started Inuyasha last May, and I'm actually just on season 5 right now. I tend to draw these things out so that it lasts longer. But I knew as soon as I was watching it that of course I would have to do something crafty with it. And not just one craft, 3 crafts. For the next couple weeks, every insert random day that I choose to upload these, I will be uploading an Inuyasha inspired craft. The first one that I'm going to be sharing with you today is how to make his iconic Beads of Subjugation. So this is a pretty easy craft to make, however the materials might be a little bit more pricey and it takes a little bit longer and it's more tedious. I will mention this again at the end of the video, but I've made 5 Beads of Subjugation necklaces, but I will be selling 4 of them on my Etsy. You can visit the link in the description below to buy them or purchase them if you don't feel like making your own or you can't locate the materials. I do want to say that these are pretty expensive necklaces just because they do take several hours to make each one using the methods that I use, and we are using genuine amethyst dogtooth beads, pun intended, and genuine coyote teeth. They're perfectly fine for cosplay, which is why I wanted to make them, but they're also great just as pieces of fine jewelry and as fashion jewelry too. So keep that in mind when I'm showing you how to make mine, and you can feel free to substitute any of the materials if you're not comfortable with using actual coyote teeth or you can't find amethyst beads or whatever. You can also use things like clay for the teeth, or you can use the thermal plastic for the teeth. With that said, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss next week's craft, which is going to be Sango's metal gas mask. And then the week after that, I will be showing you how to make a very adorable, cute mini Kilala figurine. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those, and we'll go ahead and get right into the video.